Esinye sezidumbu okusolwa ukuthi sebiwa uDokotela Nandipha Magudumana satholwa sintanta kuleli damu emva kwamasonto ambadlwana. Ngesikhathi kwenzeka lesigameko, omakhelwane basebevele besola ukuthi kukhona okushaya amanzi kule ndawo njengoba kwakuphithizela izimoto.
I could see a lot of lights and I could see cars going through the gate of the plot and going towards the riverside. Now, those who went close, they said that that body was wrapped. The whole body was wrapped. Then I even said that, no, this one has been done purposely. It's not to say that this was done purposely. There are people who have thrown that body into the river.
Ngesikhathi kuhlolwa lesidumbu akekho wayazi ukuthi sizothinteka ecaleni lingundaba mlonyeni lokweqa kukaThabo ejele.
The body is still in the government mortuary. It was found floating on the 29th of April 2022 in Kopanonokeng, Bloemfontein. It was taken to the government mortuary. In the government mortuary, then they identified the body as the one they already worked on, of which it was claimed by the doctor on the 23rd of April.